Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So when I click on here, you can see whatever the subsection which we have created, whatever the portlet which we have mapped with the subsection in Configure People Profile, that also it is showing here. Okay. Now, when I click on this travel management, you can see whatever the fields which we have created. That will be showing. Okay. Now, if now the concept of pick list. So here, the travel mode is there, and travel mode if you want to, if you are writing something as a, if you want to make, if the user want to add the text as a manually, you can add it. But if the customer want, it should have some predefined drop-down value. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go into the Picklist Center. Already from my previous sessions, I think I have created some travel management mode. Let me see. Picklist in my earlier sessions. We have completed right. Yeah, you showed us where we can use it. Okay, so you can see your travel mode. It is there. Okay. So you can see I have already created here, given the code and everything. So I need to copy this code. Okay. Under the Picklist Center and come to the Configure Object Definition. Make corrections. And where is the travel mode? Here is the travel mode, right? Go to the detail. Change the data type to picklist. Valid value source. Paste it here. Okay, so you are changing the data type picklist from where the value is coming. That code, we are copying it here. Okay, got it. And just click on Save. Okay, it's successfully saved. So again, I will go back here and I will refresh this page. And again I will go to Personal Info, Travel Management. You can see travel mode. We have the options here. Okay, got it. How we are to map the predefined values to the custom fields. That also, we have just done it and it is showing in the UI. Any questions from your end? No. Okay, fine. So here we have completed the entire MDF, how the field sections, we have seen the length, the data type, the detail attributes and everything we have covered. Then we have seen various type of association, how we can able to do the association. And lastly, We have seen how we can able to go and create a custom MDF object if customer comes and says that I want to create an object and this object should reflect in the employee profile. So how you can able to go and create that also we have seen on a step-to-step basis, and how to add the predefined values to that particular field, that also we have covered. So in the today's session we have completed the entire MDF object session.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.